Ole, conversation kan en tlang le dawn ania. Atopa hian what power kan ta na riat tur paimo vocabularies ti pun na tu. Ese tel thin ania en na chang ilo re thin don nia. Hi, MC, how is going? How come you're here? Hi MC Time. Eng titia heta omnge ini a. I'm roaming simply. What are you guys doing here? Katay vel mai ani hi. Ingen ang ni ho chu heta inti zo ka. We are simply hanging out too. So, we're gonna have dinner at Lucy house. Kini po kan leng ko thong vel mai ani. Chuan Lucy te na tlai cho kan ai do na. Wow, this is gonna be fun. I thought that Lucy's still in the city. Wow, avan wam don ve. Lucy ka khopuya ala omreng amokati. Oh my god. Are you mad or what? She came back 3 weeks ago. Karaile yang ei molso. Ka thum lian ta khan lo ho dai to. Sorry, I'm quite busy these days, as you know that. Ti pal lutuk isiet angin tun lai chu kabuy ma. It's okay. Forget it. So are you gonna join us? A traffic e. Thei hil ro. Chuan min lo zom ve do nem. I've no idea. Give me a second. Ka va the thiam lo ve. Kan ngai tu lok o. Hun min han pelok te. What's wrong with you? I don't want any excuses, okay? Enge dik lo ma eng ma chuan lam ka du lo ani o. Riem? I see. Let me ask my mom first. Otherwise, she'll scold me later. Kasia. Kanu kan zot ve photang e. Ani lo chuan nakina min hau leang. Do you want me to talk to her on behalf of you? Ibiak ai biak sak tu chain min duami. No way. Are you getting cold feet or what? Teu lo lutuk. Isam deu zo kami le. Call her immediately. Otherwise, I'll give her a call directly. As you know that your mommy seems like my best friend. Call fatro. Ani lo chuan ka call nga la ni mai. Isiet angin ini uta chu ka thian thatak ang mai ani kha. She won't respond the call. No problem. Have dropped a message for her. Call a chang thei lo tlat. A poi lo we. Message ka nut sia kha. Sounds good. Hi guys, listen up. She's a friend of mine, Lyra. She'll join us tonight, so introduce yourself one by one. Oh, have a trave. Hi, Trian Teu, lo ngai tha teu. Hey, hi ka Trian Lyra, ani hi. Amal te khan, anin mel riat tir teu. Hey, shut up. Am I looks like stranger or what? Hey, ngoi makro. Mi kual vak vel, kang viawa mi. I'm just kidding. Don't take it seriously, okay? Kan fiam tu ani ka, la tu tak su o. Riem? Okay, so, what are we gonna do now? Ole, chuan, enge tu na, kan ti don tak le. Okay guys, come closer. We have to collect 500 each for everyone. Ole, local nai teu trian teu. Zanga treu, kan tho angai ani. Only that much. It looks funny. At least thousands should be better, I guess. Chu tiang za chau chu mo. Anu is a thak zo kalom. Alo bera sang khat tal ni thei se. A that ka ring zok ma. So, do you agree with that, guys? Is there any problem? Ani chuan kan pom tlang them thian teu. Puena nei kan om em. That's fine. So what shall we buy? Is it pork or what? Ole, I try. Enge kan leang. Vok sa nge eng ber nge niang. I'm okay with anything. There's no issue for me. Eng po ka du veke. Ke chu buena om lo we. Everyone is okay with anything or what? Why are you silent? It's the right time to open your mouth. Handu da big tu man in nei lo wa mi. Ngat tinge in ngoi thupa. A soi hun lai ta kan hi. Yes. I don't have any specific for that. But I don't want spicy. O khata khachuan handu big ka nei chuang lawa. Ma se thil thak ka du lawa. Oh seriously? You don't want spicy at all? Iti tak tak mo. A thak idu lo top ti na mi. I'm okay with slightly spicy, but I don't want very spicy because I have stomach problem. A thak sep sep ang hi chu poi ka ti lo. Ma se thak lu tuk ka du lawa a chan chu ka pum hi chiang lawa. Okay, I got it. By the way, mild is better than spicy. So, is there any concern about this? Ole, ka hre thiam e. Eng po ni se thak ai chuan a thak lo hi. A tha zo khrim khrim. Chuan hemi kai hnoi soi tu nei kan la om em. Let's have a conclusion, guys. Okay? So, as we gonna collect 1,000 each for everyone, that's a huge money, right? A khai khom na hin nei don teang thian teu. Sang khat thep kan tho khom do na chu chu poisa tam tak ania. Atikem? Yes, that's right. Do you have any plans? Onia hadikalom. Enge ruah manna dang inayami. I mean to say that as we are having sufficient balance, only pork is not enough. What about beef and fish as well? Kasoy om zia chu poisa kan du khop kan nei thawa. Voksa chau chu atok lo kati deu. Enge bong sa le sanga te po hi. This is a great idea. What I've been waiting for. Kha ngai dan thalu tu khalom. Kalau nga rau chu ni. Let's move on, guys. What about vegetable? Soi chom se lang thian teu. Nge thai ra lam hi. Don't worry about that. We'll go and see. Then we'll decide over there. Lungai su khatiang te chu sota kan kalanga. Amhuna kan huanga kan ngai tu thadon nia. Hold on, guys. I've got a message from my mom. I have to reach home before 10 p.m. So you have to drop me, okay? Lok thian teu kanu message kadonga. Dar som ma in ka thlenangai. Chuan min thla angai ani o. Don't worry about that. So let's head out to get it before it's late. Chunga lungai su khai eng po ni se atlai ma hian lấy tur chuan ifa kalang ule. What power train khat I han en le teng wo. Hey kan huangin roaming, hanging out ti ania leng chuak leng khothong. Tei vel mai ti tur nei lawa, tei vel mai soinan hian roaming le hang out ka man thin ani. Stranger mi khual wak vel mai ti tur nei lawa. Kual pangzin han tiang chi soina kha ani. Specific a big thil big mo hun te po kal du na big ine ya thil te po du big ine kha ka specific an ti chu ani thil big soina ani chu chuan ale pe ka hian spicy an ti la spicy chu thil thak soina ani cho mẹ lo po thil thak rim mar cha te po spicy kan ti kha anexa kal leila amail thak lo mo cho mẹ lama chon thil thak lo te po soina hanita ma se thil danga te chuan thil dal da mo khatiang soina kha ani le ani chuan anexa conclusion atop khana atop tin dai ila amor bok na ani meng chu khatiang ang soina kha ani conclusion mo sufficient tok mamo tok mo a khop chia khatiang soina kha ani I have sufficient balance kala nei ti na mo kala khop ti na head out ti chu chuak kal chuak ti na mo let me head out for a while mo kan chuak lok ami min han chuak ti lok teu ti na kha ani riat thiama lo mang tang kai nge ka du sak cheu ni chun achunga conversation kan mana son heng wat pawat te hi khoya nge kan man eng angin nge kan man ti kha han en let le ula chu chuan ati chiang in ati bel le sual don seu ni hei wanga wat pawar hi lo tel thrin kan ya tangkai theya in man ka du sak cheu ni